Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Boosted in One. Today, guys, I'm back. Car needs a wheel bearing. As you can see, it's out pretty bad. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get that fixed up. I don't do wheel bearings myself. I'm gonna take everything off and then I'm gonna take it to the shop to get pressed in. So, but we already got the new part. Went to that AutoZone and got your boy a new wheel bearing, brand new in the package. Yep. So, all right, guys, finally got it all done. Got it taken off. About to take it over to the machine shop. Get them to press that new bearing in. Hey, I'm gonna need a new tire out here soon. Golly, can't win for losing. But anyways, guys, I'll get back at you as soon as I get this on. Yeah. This car's What's going on, guys? Back again today. Tore my car apart. I mean, everything. Have a little look. She's empty. Tore it apart because, like I said, header was cracked, as you can see. Starting to crack all the way around some of these runners. So basically it's just going to go ahead and get that repaired and get it fixed. That way we won't have no cracked exhaust. And another thing that I found out, turbo gasket had cracked. So we're gonna get all that taken care of and we'll see you back here soon. What's going on, everyone? Back at it again. Man, so I got my brother has a Boosted EM1 also, just like me, but his is a 2000 Mazda 99. We got some nice parts we're about to start putting on this thing on Sunday. Today's Friday, so this video probably will be out on Sunday. But we got some nice stuff we're gonna put on this thing. We got some racing seats. Got the Skunk 2 Racing Ultra. It's the Ultra series. So guys, stay tuned and just keep an eye out on everything. One of my favorite YouTubers right there, Josh Percy. Go follow him on YouTube and Instagram. So as you guys know, I just dropped my my spindle off so I can get it get the new wheel bearing pushed in. Right now I'm kind of in my somewhat daily, you can call it somewhat daily. It's not really a daily, so, but it's my baby, my Infinity. it's got a lot of features too, like that right there. Heated, cooled seats. Yeah, and it's the beige leather too, so it's not too hot. Oh, and to top it off, got the TV that dropped down. Hell yeah. Rear seats recline. So this the luxury. This that luxury lack. About to go to one of my favorite places. Y'all already know what it is. It's the Lord's Chicken. Check them out. Look at my boss right there. That sucker, he's right there. Look at him. I see him. That boy always out eating somewhere. Eating.